Now, the last feature now is by far the biggest of them all. That is, oh, that perfectly symmetrical. Wonderful. That is the progression system. So what it does is, you might have seen that show up already. If I quickly like hop over here, what is going on with this cow? Is it like two? No, it's not two cows, is it? Is it two? What? It's one cow. I don't know what's happening. What's going on with my resource? Okay, I didn't care. If I quickly summon zombie. Now you quickly die, please. You will see in my hotbar, I have gained 22 XP. Now, if you've already been wondering what that was about, um, that was from the progression system. Now, let me get back to my egg. You can get XP, by a multitude of sources. I'm not gonna recount them all. You can like find them in the wiki, which I still have to set up, but um, I might get to that. But one of which, for example, would be fishing or enchanting items or brewing potions. Breeding animals is also one. You can get XP for all sorts of things, and I mean, just by default, there's not a lot you can do with it. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to grab yourself a book and quill and a lectern, and what you do is you just, I don't know, some random stuff or whatever. It doesn't matter what's in there. What's important is the title, which is system access. And once you have that, you can grab a lectern and put it in there, and as soon as you open it, it's gonna show you an interface, which I think is very exciting. I've worked very long to get those animations working and to have this like um consistent, but I mean the end button does nothing. Or the yes does. It's just there to make it look more pretty. If I quickly get the settings again. Um, there is also an animation style. I could set that to fancy, and if I quickly show my levels, fancy animation style just goes letter by letter, showing everything. And I already have 405 XP, and I only need 256 for my first level up, because currently I'm level 0. I could just do that already. Important is like every time you click on something, you get thrown out of the interface. You just need to right click again. It's just something I cannot do anything about with just the data pack. You'll have to deal with that. But I think it's fine. Um, Either way, it's gonna show you like your new level, stat points. You gain the same amount of stat points for every time you level up, and how much XP we will have remaining. You can go back to the menu, and it's all gonna be great. Now if you're thinking like I can go back here and just go click on here again, initiate level up. Yeah, let's go. Um, it's only gonna give you the same page. It does not work. Believe me. I That would be like the most stupid bug to keep in the game. Because infinite level ups. I mean, come on, come on. I'm not that. I might be pretty dumb, but I'm not that stupid. Actually, I don't think I'm that dumb, but I don't want to make any statements about my own intelligence. It's very weird. Either way, um, now what it does is if I quickly go to the menu, let me also, I could go to fast. Fast is just gonna break this thing if it's running, but otherwise, if I show my stats right here, I have 8 free stat points technically, but the thing is, if I want to assign any stat points, which in this case, why is that there? That shouldn't be there. That has nothing to do with the pack. That's why is that there? Small teaser for upcoming updates, maybe. I can like select a stat here, and I have 8 available stat points, and I can like kind of select here how many I want. I can reset that. I could get another digit over here, but that will not do a lot. So second digit, it's only gonna set it to the max. Can also like do all of them. If I set done, click on continue here. Woo, I have all of them assigned. So right here, if I show my stats, I have no free set points. That's just what you kind of have from the beginning. I have all those. No, it's not. You have no stat points from the beginning. I'm just talking bullshit here. There usually is nothing. It's just a bug that I fix later on. Assigned to strength now. Did I actually set that to strength? I thought I fixed that bug. 1 second. The thing is though, if you read the page before carefully, it's like you will gain this many stat points and all that, but what's important is you will level up once you sleep. So technically, if right now that's not what I wanted to do, return to menu please. If I quickly show my levels, I'm level 1. Ah, dang it, I'll be right back. I forgot I purposefully kept that in there. Hehe, no, I did not. That's just me being stupid. Again, I'm gonna fix that in a bit. So why is the texture buggy? That's weird. Anyways, I forgot I kept that in there purposefully to not like confuse people. So you technically are level 1, but what you will need to do to like get the actual stat points, because the ones I used were like just from the beginning, is you'll need to sleep. That'll give you a nice level up view here. And now I'm actually level 1. So if I made I want to set the settings. I want to set it to default again. That's nicer. If I show my levels again, I mean nothing changed obviously. But if I show my stats, oh shit. Okay, don't mind me. I was being stupid here. I added something that I shouldn't have. Forgive me for like all those bugs in there still. The entire pack is still in semi-development. I would say it's about an alpha phase now. But anyways, if I can I give myself a netherite sword. Got 19 XP out of that. If an efficient way. Well, no, I'm gonna get to XP in a bit. Can also get it like from basic mobs, but obviously it's not as much. I quickly set my XP so that I can continue. Let's just set XP to about that, and so if I quickly show my levels, you should not have had access to that at this point, to your set point. So if I initiate level up, we'll reach level 2, and on and on. If I show my stats, wait, why? Wait a sec, why? That should not be here. Okay, I'm stupid. I forgot to reload. That's why. So if I reload, show my stats, then the stat points will not show up here, because they only do if I have slept, because you cannot be awake when you level up. That's just how stuff works. Like, your body needs to adapt to changes and all that, you know? That's just... There we go, you leveled up, you reached level 2, it said it down below, but it was almost deleted because of the day message. But, well, if I quickly reload the menu here, now I have the stat points which I can assign. So if I go to menu, assign stats, let's assign them to intelligence. I have 8, let's give me 8 intelligence, so that I might not be as stupid as always. Could also, like, actually, if I have it at 0 and click all, well, it's gonna, set it to all. That's pretty self-explanatory. If I show stats, I will have 8 intelligence here, which is great.